on top. There has to be a light bulb on top.
We'll have to make a place for the light, yes. We put it on top, and then put the speaker for the sound for the alarm in a different spot.
How big is the box gonna be?
You mean how big should we draw it, or do you mean how big is it going to be really?
How big should we draw it?
About as big as your first finger.
Okay. There, I did the box. Now I'll do the eyes.
Okay, the sensors, okay.
Yeah. Now what?
Other than light, you got to figure out where you want the light on. It sounds like you want it on top.
It's going to be on the top.
Okay.
So how do we attach the light bulb to it?
They make little holders for the light.
Okay. So I'll erase.
Okay, make it like a hot dog shape on top.
Okay, a hot dog shape. How big?
Like your pinky.
There. And the light bulb is going to be standing straight up.
All right, that's a good idea.
Now what?
Okay, so we got a box, or did you draw a box for the speaker, for the sound? I mean, draw a circle, or well, you could draw a square, or or any shape you want for the sound.
For the sound?
Yeah, for the sound for the alarm. It'll go at the same time as when the light goes on.
I'll do a square.
Just a minute. The puppies are barking because somebody just rang the doorbell. I gotta go in the other room so I can hear you. Okay, now I can hear you. What was your question?
How do you get the light bulb and the alarm to go off the same time if you do a box?
Wires. You connect them with wires so the electricity goes to both places at the same time.
We'll probably need like a little pathway.
Yep.
Like a little, like up, like down, left, and right.
Yes.
So the electricity could go through both ends. I studied water before. If water can go out both ends,
right,
on the bottom side, then it can with electricity.
That's right. It is the same with electricity. Yes, it is.
So we know that. So how do we need 2 wires for this?
Yeah, probably 2. Well, yep, that'd be good.
Okay, I'll draw it. So I'll have to erase the hot dog because it's too far.
Oh, okay.
It's not stable enough.
Oh, all
The
right.
same sides have to be the same stable. Otherwise, the light bulb won't go in correctly.
Uh-huh.
And besides, it was a better hot dog this time.
Yep.
Besides, I got something waiting at the house for ya.
Oh, okay. Well, next time I can visit, I will.
I'll show you it the next time you visit it.
Yep, okay.
Okay, now how do we get the wires to attach to the bell?
You could use little tiny screws.
What are, like I'm doing the wires.
Well, sometimes you use screws to put the wires together. Sometimes you tape them.
Okay, I'll do a screw. Which way will be the screw?
Which way?
Uh-huh.
Up and down? Up and down? That would be the easiest, I think.
Okay, will it be inside the bell?
Yes, because you don't want to touch it accidentally.
So, I'll draw the screw inside the bell.
Okay.
There. I got it right now.
Okay.
I drew the screw.
Okay.
Now what?
Did you draw a speaker for the sound and hook up wires to that?
How do you draw a speaker?
Do you know what a cone is? A cone shape?
No.
Okay, it's kind of like a triangle.
Okay, I'll draw the triangle.
Okay. That's about the easiest way to draw it, and then you hook up wires to it. Two wires.
Okay. Which way do the wires go to the screw?
Yep, one of them goes to the screw, yep.
Does it go inside the screw?
Okay, that way they hook up.
Does it hook up on the top part?
That's the easiest place, yes.
Okay, I hooked it up onto the top part. You know that electricity will run through anything that is metal.
It should.
So
That's what electricity goes through, is metal.
if the electric runs through the metal into the alarm, then that's how the electricity will get to the alarm.
Right.
So now what?
Let's see. We have to draw a motor to make either the legs go or to make the wheels go.
There doesn't have to be the motor because, oh yeah, there does have to be a motor. The sensor have to be on the back.
Okay.
And the bell has to be on the front.
Gotcha.
So, how do we get up piece of wood into one box with two boxes into one piece of wood.
Well, you can cut the wood small enough to make it fit inside. And then that's what you can use to attach the different things to it that will make it stiff.
Do you have like big old hands?
Do I have big hands? Oh, kinda.
Then I got the perfect thing for you.
Alright. I'm anxious to see it then.
Okay. How do I draw? Okay. I think this will work. I'll erase the bell. And it has to be an extra long wire. I'll erase the bell and put it in a different way.
Alright.
So I'll erasing two things.
Yeah?
How big will the box be sideways? Standing.
How big will the bell be sideways?
Uh-huh. In real life.
Oh, in real life?
Uh-huh.
Well, you can get small bells that are up. Do you know what a card is for playing cards?
Yeah.
About that big. About as big as a card.
A card?
Uh-huh. They're about that rectangle. And then the bell sits on top.
Well, I mean in real life.
Yeah, that's what they are. They make them small, so you don't have to have big ones.
You know what? I decided to make something else.
Oh, all right. What did you decide to build?
I decided to build a phone.
Oh, wow.
I have
Those are pretty hard. Those are pretty complex. I don't know how to build a phone.
Then what kind of mechanical stuff do you know how to build?
Well, what you were talking about, I could help you build.
Huh.
I could find the parts for you and send them to you, like you said.
For this, making something you need probably 3 wheels that are for about $10. That means you'll have to pay $30 for 3 wheels because they're $10. And
Okay.
you'll have to buy me a motor, a wire, a light,
Yep.
and some I'm gonna go in the garage and get something to help me tell you.
Okay.
So